Hey family, hey friends, this is not financial advice. Y'all know the drill. This is OG Larry coming at you with some information that might help you change your life. If you need financial advice, consult with your local broker. I'm just here telling you the type of things that I do in the market and in the finance world that can help you change your life because it has helped me change mine. I want to talk to you today about the Dividend Reinvestment Program, aka DRIP. The Dividend Reinvestment Program is a program that companies use to pay their shareholders every quarter for the shares that they own in that company. So if you own 100 shares and they pay you a dividend of, let's say, $10, then they'll take that $10 and put that into the share price, and your share count goes up. So and if you have, the more shares you have, the more dividends you receive, of course. And if it rises to the amount that can cover entire shares, then your share count will grow by entire shares. If it's just enough to get you a fractional share, which is a thing now, because nowadays you can have, if a share price is $10, you can buy $1 worth for that share, and you own 1/10 of that company, or 1/10 of a share in that company. So it's always a way to introduce yourself to the market and to get into the market without taking the major risks and gambling, as some people say that trading is. You can enter the market on the safe side and take calculated risks. Put your money in positions to where that money is going to make money for you. Dividend paying companies, say for instance Coca-Cola, Verizon, UPS, not only are these excellent companies and safe places to put your money, these companies are going to pay you a dividend every quarter, and every quarter when you get this dividend, you can either reinvest that dividend, as we're talking here, the D.R.I.P program, or you can take that dividend and actually turn that money into spending money to do whatever you want to do with it, whether it's pay a bill, whether it's buy gas, groceries, whatever you want to do every month or every quarter. When you get that money is yours to spend for being a shareholder in that company. It's a reward for the company doing well. And it's an excellent way if you want to be safely invested and involved in the market. And you don't have to do anything. You don't have to watch the markets. You don't have to watch the tapes. You don't have to do anything. You put your money there, you set it, and you forget it. And you not literally forget it, because you want to come back and see how much money your money has made for you. Even before you get the check, then you can do that. But set it and forget it is a saying, to where you don't have to worry about your money or your investment crashing on you or tumbling, because not only are you in a good company, you're in a dividend paying company. So take this under consideration, and if you want to be involved in companies that pay you for being involved, long-term investing, building wealth, building generational wealth in a retirement account, you can, if you're old enough to have a retirement account, then you can take those understand this, dividends are taxable income. But if you're in a retirement account and you reinvested that money in a retirement account, then that money will not be taxed. So if you take the money out, your dividends, of course, you have to report it on your taxes. It's taxable income. But at the same time, if you reinvest it in the company and don't take it out, then you won't have to worry about paying taxes on it until you sell those shares. So, and remember, you only win and lose money in the market is when you sell. Until then, you have unrealized gains if you're making money, or unrealized losses. And once you sell or take the money out and you realize them gains, that's when you either have to pay taxes on them, or you either took a loss, and you can, at the end of the year, you can report up to $3,000 worth of losses on your taxes. So keep that in mind. If you want to have a dividend that automatically either adds shares to your account or put money in your pocket, doesn't cost anything, and it works automatically for you, consider dividend paying stocks. Like I said, either Coca-Cola, Verizon, UPS, and there's a ton of other companies out there that pay a dividend. Do a little research and find a company that works for you, the share price that works for you, and think about hopping in there and putting your money in a safe place, and at the same time watch your money work for you. With that being said, drip, y'all. I'm out.